The nervous system is arguably the most important system of our body. By sending electrochemical signals from neuron to neuron, the nervous system makes you do everything you do every day of your life. All your organs, all your physiological and psychological reactions, even your body's major other controlling systems such as the endocrine system, is completely dependent on the nervous system. In this video, I will talk about its anatomy and organization and the communication of the neurons microscale to macroscale in controlling our body's homeostasis. Every movement of your body can be narrowed down to three processes of the nervous system: sensory input, integration, and motor output. The sensory receptors on your skins detect the outside force and transmit the impulse to the brain, where it decides what to do about it. The brain then activates certain parts of the body as a response. The nervous system is made out of nervous tissues, such as neurons, that respond to stimuli and transmit signals. Neurons are protected and supported by glial cells. Neurons are one of the longest living cells of your body and are irreplaceable. They also consume 25% of all the calories you take in every day. It takes a lot of glucose to keep them going. The neuron has its cell body, or the soma, with the nucleus and the mitochondria, the dendrites that receive signals or stimuli, the axon that transmits the electrochemical signal, and the synaptic terminal that transmits the signal to the adjacent neuron via neurotransmitters. The action potential is the signal of the neuron, activated by the stimulus. The signal is an electrochemical impulse that varies in frequency. The membrane of the neuron creates a potential by creating an electrochemical gradient. The cytoplasm would be more negatively charged than the outside. When a chemical or physical stress is put on a neuron, the protein channels on the membrane opens up, allowing the positive calcium, potassium, and sodium ions to pour into the cytoplasm. When the cytoplasm becomes positive enough or crosses the threshold, the action potential is sent down the axon. Like a domino, the ion channels on the axon open up one by one and closes afterwards. When the action potential reaches the synaptic terminal, the signal stimulates the synaptic vesicles to release neurotransmitters, which in turn binds to receptors on the protein pumps of the adjacent neuron, thus transmitting the signal. The nervous system receives, transmits, and reacts to nearly all external stimuli that we feel right now. It is the communication line that links all of our body system and contributes to maintaining our body's homeostasis through environmental influences.